What's up, guys? Everything. Sorry, kind of off my game. Haven't done that video in a minute. And so, if you are kind of country, you should be able to recognize this as a chicken coop. We just finally got everything on this buttoned up. Our sliding door's good. I made all of these feeders. That one's got some feed in it. All of these two have feed in it. This one, so a plastic bag cover that I use for the rain, has a hole in it. You see that right there? A hole. So whenever I went to put a little bit of feed in there, there was water. And I was like, oh crap. So I just filled up the rest of these. And so yesterday, I made this little chicken ladder. Some of them had started to figure it out, how to use it, but it took them a little bit. Maybe they'll use it today or tonight. Here's what I don't understand about chickens. They pooped in the water. Protein, I guess. I don't know. There's another waterer. The door of our feeder. Oh, there's my dog. Sorry about her. That's the feed cup I used. Just tucked it up about over the door. But here we are. We're gonna let these cluckers out. There's my little holding wire. It's gonna be a little tough, so I'm gonna put you down and come back. Alright, so now they're all trying to come out. This is Duncan, our rooster, our accidental rooster. There's Camille, our other rooster. Same breed, just different colors. And here's our Silky, our fluffy Silky. We named her Daily. And then this one is the escape artist, so don't really have a name for her. She just likes to get out. You're blocking the road. Come on, go. I will set you down. There you go. Alright, come on, birds. You last two, I think, yeah. Minnie! Minnie! No. Oh, yeah, here goes one. Minnie! Bad girl. Bad. Hush. We got some dogs barking back and forth. When I'm trying to film, yeah. Struggles of trying to be a YouTuber in the neighborhood. Minnie, it's okay, baby. Hush. Hush, Minnie. Come on, Silky. You need help? Come on. Just grab her tightly by the legs. No, Camille. Alright, who's on left in here? Silver Wyandotte and I say Brown. Come on out, guys. Everybody else is eating their food. There's two eating on that one, and there's a bunch over here. Come on, you little birdies. Minnie! 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 Sorry, guys. I got dogs out. Well, anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. Bye.